Hello and bonjour. My name is Chris Jumel Vitor Manoy, studying Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management. And someday, I want to visit Canada. Canada is the second largest country in the world, known for its stunning natural landscapes, friendly people, and diverse culture. Its capital city is Ottawa, but you may also have heard cities like Toronto, Vancouver, and Montreal. Canada is famous for its maple syrup, hockey, the Northern Lights, and landmarks like the CN Tower, Niagara Falls, and did you know that about 20% of the world's fresh water is in Canada? Pretty amazing, right? Now, you may be wondering why I choose Canada. Well, Canada's reputation for kindness and inclusivity resonates with me because I believe in spreading positivity and uplifting others. Just like how Canadians are known to embrace diversity, I strive to appreciate the unique qualities of every person I met. I also admire how Canadians value nature, as I love exploring and discovering the beauty of the world around me. So Canada isn't just a country on the map for me. It is a symbol of values I hold: kindness, exploration, and appreciation for diversity. I hope this has shown you a new perspective on Canada and a little more about me. Thank you, or as they say in French, merci.